The following video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. But there again, yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. According to some things that have been said on social media about this video, I got the understanding that this video shows gunmen who had been captured and brought into police custody within the country that is known as Jamaica. Alright? Now, information as to how those gunmen had been captured are somewhat sketchy. However, I got the understanding that the video had been recorded somewhere within the parish that is known as St. Thomas, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. And I also got the understanding that the video had been recorded sometime within the month of September the year 2021. And allegedly, it is said that at least one of those gunmen is a teenager. It is said that a man who was among those 3 gunmen who had been captured escaped during the incident when those gunmen had been captured. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding about the situation shown in the video. But please bear in mind that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. This video shows 3 men who are said to be gunmen laying face down on the ground. This video shows when those men had been placed in handcuffs by the police within the country of Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that this video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. And you can also tell me what you think.
Hold up your face. Hold up your face. Yeah, tell her hold up your face. Hold up your head. You get a good place. Turn around to me. Wait. Don't look. Yeah, man. Hold up your head.
No more. Just
okay.
That's all. Put one. I got him. Got him name.
Christopher Anthony Campbell.
No man, it's Campbell. Him a Campbell.
Go. First time.
Him a Campbell. It's a right Campbell. So you start with right Campbell. Christopher Anthony Campbell. Right Campbell.
Which one you say, Campbell?
Yeah. So you might want to pick him out. Let me tell you when. Smith and Wesson, Springfield.
Where do you come from? Seafood, where do you come from?
Springfield.
Where do you come from?
Model SW9V.
Smith and Wesson, no?
Springfield. Springfield. Model? No, model SW9V. I look for the serial number.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Oh, see serial number.
Model what? S what?
SW.
Serial number.
Yeah, I'm sure. SW9V. So, serial number PAN 0920.
PAN 0
920.
Sir,
And the color, what did I call this? Brown?
no, my name is Taylor.
or beige?
Tan. Tan I better.
No, this is a bit
What am I?
beige.
Let me get to interest.
That be tan.
Tan and silver. Or what you call this? Silver.
Chrome.
Chrome. Tan and chrome. And put silver in a black. Yeah, sorry. Tan.
CHROM as well?
Knock off all of them together.
Hey, you know the road back squad.
Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
You done with this. Let me tell you much wrong. Let me tell you much wrong today with it. Let me tell you much wrong.
You want to
Yeah, man.
Turn up this.
Yeah, man. Turn your foot.
Give me my back pocket, because you're not funny. When I'm back pocket, take you out. No, man, the other one. Oh, side pocket, side pocket. 7-9mm rounds.
For which one today?
With this crispy for man. Yes.
7.
One magazine.
I don't know, take a picture of this one here.
One magazine containing. One magazine containing 7,
Aye, we have
9mm rounds.
Come back.
You must scratch, you must scratch. You can research my baby, search my already, but you can't search my baby. You can't search my baby.
I'm not joking. This is one boy and I'm not joking. Straight up.
You look at the camera. Alright. See the one that they make now, Mr. D?
My phone that's to the one.
Which one? This?
Yeah, man.
This one rounds are going.
No, that's a different one. Alright now. What the Miguel want? What your name you time, Miguel?
CJ, PNV Melo.
Alright. Millwood now.
I don't back on your face.
Hold it.
I don't back on your face. Yeah, you can't move that.
Ready?
CJ.
Yeah. You're bright, no, brother. Read a serial number here for me. It's a picture Barretta. CJ Milo.
Right name?
Picture.
Yeah, sure.
CJ, hold on. Let me best read something for this. It's a picture Barretta. Let me just see it a while again. Yeah, CJ.
Because this should look like the
Alright.
Taurus.
Alright. Just put P Barretta. We can research it. Because we always see P Barretta. And it look like garden. So, but when you go down, you can pull it up. Lab will pull it up. The serial number, the right here, sir. You see the serial number, the right hand. See it, look here, sir. You can see it right here, sir. If you take a picture, you're supposed to can zoom it up. Black. The color are black. Count this here, let me make sure. We get 40, say for 40.
2, 4, 5,
One magazine
7,
containing 14,
10, 11,
live 9
13,
minutes.
14. I want that girl.
15 is a 15.
One of them.
Yeah, man, I'll give this boss. Tell the station, so when you call sometime, you just need for this park already. Yeah. That's all.
Which one
When
name
I see the
phone?
boy, my belly start turning from my belly, I turn, I know sitting around. But leave me alone still, you know. Yeah, but you know.
Alright, where next one?
Him have it. So, this a film phone. This a food phone here. Food phone.
Yeah.
Yes. With the battery.
The man next one.
Yeah, man, I'll give it. I never search him back then, yeah? Then back over the side. One of them run still, innit?
One of them run.
Yeah. They will tell you how. Hey,
I want to go there.
what's your friend name? Campbell.
No.
What?
No. Your friend name or what?
Oh man.
Where you come from?
But
Same
inside
black
didn't come from. I don't really my friend now then.
They know you're
I
my
just get the.
The man him up to some shit idea.
I want to know for some fuck. I want to really?
Yeah, near to Newland.
You don't know where you live? Where you live?
Address.
Swam, sir.
Eh?
Swam, sir.
That's an address.
Swam?
Yes.
Soon let you show.
Which part of Swam? Which part of there?
You know what I think, sir?
Yeah, man. You didn't crowd up there.
Sir?
You didn't crowd up there.
Spider.
Spider.
You put on dress.
Oh,
Remember him dress?
you near so?
Which one?
Right on the
Spider?
Yeah.
Yellow?
Yeah.
You don't want him?
Sir, and I yellow come from you, sir.
Where you come from?
Don't worry about that, man.
Jenkins. Which one of them named Jenkins again?
Yes, sir. Andre Jenkins.
Blue
shirt.
long
Last
sleeve.
name, sir.
Blue long sleeve t-shirt and blue short blue jeans pants.
Him one come from him. One come from him.
No, them two here.
In total.
And him have one red slippers. Red slippers, you hear me, Mr. D? And Milo that one.
You are born.
The man next.
can't move with them.
Huh?
Chief commander can remain with them.
Who are the commander?
So we. This way. Yeah, man. How about the situation? I don't know.
Oh, we? No, somebody else not now, but then whoever. No, see not now.
Oi, turn on back, man.
Fuck there.
Just like my own man, you know.
Oi, stop talking, man.
No, I hear nothing from you.
Stop the
Brother, we don't
talking.
want to hear nothing from you.
You know, my people, me I wonder where them up to that the day there. Eh? Me I wonder where them they go do. Eh? Where them up to? Me say my people, the amount of times me ask myself and other persons this question, how so much gun come in Jamaica? Where the gun them a come from? See? Yeah, common sense we tell us that maybe it come here by boat pan water, night or day or whatsoever, or through some secret part or something, through the wharf and all them things. And yes, me think about all of them things. But at the same time, my people, you know, me don't know, there must be a way where we can control them bag of guns who are coming to Jamaica. And you see the companies them will make guns. Yeah, so the companies them will make guns, them need to start to take some bigger responsibilities in the making of their guns. You understand? Me not disrespect nobody, but me just give an idea. You see me? Why them not make the guns them with some form of tracking device in a part of the gun where it cannot remove. Once you remove or go in there, so the gun directly have to be destroyed totally in order for go at that part to find the tracking device. You see me I say, why them not make the guns them that way somehow? You understand me I say? Do something, find some way to make sure so that whenever somebody buy a gun or so forth, that gun registered on a person the name, and anywhere that person that there, you have an idea where that person that there are something. But too much guns, man, like too much guns, you see me? And enough of the youth, them a throw with their life because I bag a gun thing, my brother. You see me I say? Enough of the youth, them a throw with them life, and innocent life a loss and all them things there. You see me I say? Me not get up and bash nobody and curse nobody because some of the times, you know, at the community where some people born and grow, me then do certain things to, you know, people. All them things that me think about, you know. You understand? But too much guns, man. The bag of guns thing, the guns thing. You see it? And it reach a point where people have to end up buy gun now for protect themselves and all them things there. You get me I say? And on a real still no viewers and subscribers, me I wonder who video record all our go on this. So me I wonder if it's a police officer video record what go on this or something. You understand? Yeah, me I wonder. You see me I say? But on a real, it really sad for say that's the kind of life those youths choose. You understand? It really sad. You understand? You know, cause me wish nothing but the best for everybody, you know. You see me? Jamaica one pretty place, you know. Adjust the crime and violence and this bag of gun thing. And that's the problem in Jamaica. Well, not say the problem, but one of the biggest problem in Jamaica. Panareal, yo. You see it? Anyways, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla!